Welcome to our carpentry journey, where simple wood becomes something meaningful through skills, patience, and the passion. Every piece you see start a raw material, but with the careful planning, cutting, and steady hands, it transfer into the future and design made to last. Carpentry is not just a work for us, it is a craft that blends creativity with discipline. From measuring and shaping this to sanding and finishing, each step matters. We pay attention to the smallest details because quality is built once careful move at the